I can't believe that 2024 has almost come to an end. And while I'm thinking about all of the things I have to wrap up for the end of the year, I also know that my intention is to make 2025 my personal best year yet in so many ways. And I'm very excited to share a lot of those ways with you in the new year. I want to help you have your very best 2025 as well. And one of the ways that I find the easiest to be successful and consistent is to listen to content, whether it's an audiobook or a video on audio, and kind of work while I'm doing what I need to do. That's what works really well for me. So I want to provide you with that same type of support so that you can achieve your cleaning and organizing goals for 2025. We already have some online courses available, and we have a really big one coming out in 2025 called Laundry University. The product we currently have is a decluttering course, and I walk you through how to declutter. If you want information on that course, you can click the link in the description box down below. Now for Laundry University, it's going to be a comprehensive package that walks you through A to Z of laundry, everything from stain removal, how to choose detergents, what you need to know about your machines, teeny tiny little details. But once you learn what I teach you in Laundry University, you will never have to think about how to do laundry again. And what's even more exciting is that if you sign up for our decluttering course, again, the link is in the description box below, you will get 50% off Laundry University when it comes out next year. So enjoy the rest of your 2024, and here is to our best year yet.